Welcome to Cooking in the Kitchen with BeeDee Studios, or Cooking in the Kitchen. We are always in the kitchen. Cooking with BeeDee Studios. Hooray, I got it right. Today, another soup, another delicious weeknight. We got somebody visiting. I'll show you who it is very shortly. Weeknight, quick, vegetarian, homey, healthy soup for dinner, or soup as your side, or soup and salad, but soup is the thing. I love me portobello mushroom. I love lots of portobello mushroom and onions. So I basically chopped up a medium-sized white, yellow onion actually, and four mushroom portobello, the real big ones. If we have a picture of the before, we'll insert it here. Then all we're going to use is half a stick of butter, salt, pepper, and I have, because this is what I have left over. I have a little bit of beef and I have a little bit of chicken. We're going to do beef and chicken stock. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is, look at our guest. Look at our guest. We are babysitting. Say hi, Molly. Molly. Baby girl, say hello to the audience. We're babysitting Molly.
So cute.
She's a family. She's family. Right, so we're going to start melting our butter, and then we'll add our onion.
I'm going to give Molly a close-up. Hi, Molly.
Hey, baby girl. Say hi to the audience.
You are so cute.
You're going to help us cook? Yeah, you're a good girl. All right, zoom in.
It smells good already.
Right? It's sizzling the butter. I have it on high. I'm going to go ahead and throw my onions in.
Hear that?
You hear the sizzle? I cannot leave one piece of onion. I'm an onion fanatic. I love all onions. Equal opportunity onion. I'm gonna finish melting the butter real quick. See, it's right there. What's left of it. And then we'll lower just a little bit the temperature. Again, if you feel like you don't have enough oil, enough fat, you can always add a little bit of the avocado oil, but I think that'll be just fine. Because once you add in the mushrooms, they have a high content level of water, and they'll add a little more moisture to your pan. Okay, so it's been at medium heat for, I'd say, what, about 3 minutes, 4 minutes or so? What you want to look for again is to have your onions be a little translucent and starting to get a little caramelized. That's how I like it. Because they give it a little bit of sweetness. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my wonderful, delicious portobello mushrooms in there. And it looks like a lot, but what happens to mushrooms, BeeDee?
They disappear.
They shrink.
Yep.
Shrink and disappear. Uh-oh, Molly's making noises over there. Molly's eating too. I guess that smell woke her up.
Ate all of her food. Look at that.
The girl. Here's the point where I'm going to go ahead and add my salt and my pepper. I'm going to stir it a little bit so it gets the onions going in there. What I love about this is at the end it'll taste like a cream of mushroom without using the cream. You could put cream if you want additional fat. Even though I'm doing keto, I try not to have excessive amounts of fat because it just doesn't agree with me. So, and I do like a modified keto. Basically, I try to stay away from sugar and carbs. But keto, the real keto, is based on high levels of fat. But I don't want to do so much fat. So, personal preference ahead. And again, pepper is something that is up to your liking. Some people like extra pepper, like me. And some people don't like too much salt, like me. So just kind of like this, because my beef is unsalted, but my chicken stock is salted. So I don't want to put too much, but you don't want to put too little. It's always better less. You can add later. For your heat, I'm going to lower it now to almost medium. See how they started shrinking?
Yep. Already.
I could barely move them around in the pan. They have started to shrink. Oopsie. Can't let that go to waste. If you're not a fan of mushrooms and you're more a fan of asparagus, check out last week's episode, or the week before last. We took a break last week from Tasty Tuesdays. We're very busy. Very busy making art, getting ready for an art class. So we're back on track. So the way I know that I'm ready to put the stock in is that if you touch your mushrooms and they're really squishy, they pretty much have broken down, released all their juices, and I can put the stock in. So a little bit more. But if you could smell this, could you imagine this as a gravy on top of a steak?
Oh my gosh.
Just saying. Just saying. There's possibilities to this. It just doesn't have to be a soup. A medium heat. And I might have enough chicken stock. I don't think I'm going to put beef. I have here a little more than half the container. I think that's good. Because I want it to be a thick soup, almost like a cream of mushroom. Like I said, minus the cream.
So you're just kind of putting it over the top.
Right, and we're going to lower the temperature to medium. Exactly. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. The soup has had its time to simmer and cook. We let it cool down and we let it cook for about 7 minutes. Time it, kind of figure it out, see how much liquid you have left, give or take. Cooking times always vary depending on how hot you were cooking. We had it at medium heat. I had it covered and it simmered for about 7 minutes. So now I'm going to bring it to the blender. Sometimes I use the NutriBullet. This is more quantity, so I want to be done faster because that's just the way I roll. Fast is good. Always in a hurry. It's a thing of beauty. See, very, very puree. Ooh, a little bubble. Hello, it's talking to you. Oh, look at that. So, you're getting a cream without using cream. But, like I said, if you want to go ahead and add more cream, by all means, do so. So you just want to mix the rest of the liquid with the puree that you've just created to make this yummo cream of mushroom. But first, we're going to go exercise. We'll warm it up and finish it when we get back. Wow. It's bubbling. I had it on high. I've already turned it off. But as you can tell, I'm going to pour it. It's almost like cream of mushroom, but without the cream. Look at that. It's beautiful and it tastes delicious. And all you need, if you want to, a little parm on top, never hurt nobody. Your weeknight delicious cream of mushroom without the cream. Molly, I'm gonna eat my soup now. Ooh. Yum, yum. You guys gotta try it. Super simple, quick and easy weeknight soup for dinner. All right, thank you for watching. See you guys next time on Cooking with BeeDee Studios.